Here's what we need to make a basic margarita. For tequila, triple sec, lime juice, sour mix, cover glass, our strainer, our mixing tins, salt, if someone wants salt, limes, and ice. You can either have it on the rocks, or you have it blended, frozen. Before I do anything, I always wash my hands. I wash the limes. Today I'm going to cut wedges. Where you cut a wedge, take the knife, place it in the middle of the lime. Press down. This will be a larger wedge. And just one more cut. You can also cut a wheel. I'm not going to do that today. You just cut off each of the ends downwards and slice. Normally I'd make the drink inside the tins. I've never used it inside these glasses, so I'm going to build it inside the glass, put it inside the tin, shake it, and pour it back in over rock. Salt can be used a number of ways. You can put it around the entire rim, a portion of the rim, or some people put it inside the drink. I'll just go ahead and put it around the rim a little bit. So you can see it's just enough. If you don't want it, or you want somebody else to try it, there you are. So I'm prepping the final glass. We have tequila and triple sec. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of the tequila and 1/2 ounce of triple sec. So I'm going to do a free pour, which is 1 is 1/4, 2 is 1/2, 4 is 1 ounce, 6 is 1.5 ounces. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To splash the lime juice, fill with sour, and pour. Finish with the lime. There's a rocks margarita. A couple other margaritas, and there's likely hundreds to thousands of recipes. And I provided a link of some of the favorites of 2024 are the Cadillac and the Top Shelf. Now they substitute the triple sec that's used in the base margarita for Cointreau. Both triple sec and Cointreau both have an orange flavor. Cointreau's a little bit more premium. The Top Shelf margarita has a floated Grand Marnier in addition. The blue agave plant is grown in Jalisco, Mexico. 90% of the tequila that is manufactured is created in Jalisco, Mexico with the blue agave. There's 4 other states, municipalities in Mexico that can also grow the blue agave and call it tequila by law. Approximately 185,000 Americans drink Margarita every hour of every day. It's a $2.9 billion industry. And as you take a little bit further look into tequila matcha, we'll go ahead and see how the barrel choice, the aging, how long it's aged for, whether it's going to be a Blanco, Silver Blanco, Plata, which are the same, can be consumed after distillation, or if we go into the Añejo, Extra Añejo, Reposado, Holden, then we can go ahead and take a deeper look into the science of creating tequila. And I hope you enjoy the rest of it.